Hey guys, thank you for watching another one of our videos here. As I promised, this one is going to be on that GSXR 750. This is being recorded after I did all the work because the initial video I took was corrupted, so I couldn't use it. But I'll go ahead and give you an overview of the bike and show you what we're going to be looking at today. So this here, nice little cinematic clips, that's going to be the 750 that I was talking about earlier. She's got a couple goodies on her. Really nice start, but obviously I blew the bike up about, I want to say 2 weeks into owning it. A couple of goodies it has, it looks like, to start. We have some nice carbon fiber frame sliders, and this looks rusty, but it's like a nice marble material. It's weird, it's interesting, it's nice though. So we've got those. Got another touch of fiber on the rear cowl. We have, let's see, a GPR stabilizer. Leaks like crazy. Always recommend OEM ones, but came with the bike. I won't complain. Take it as I go. The really nice thing I got on here too. It'll focus in here. You can kind of see it there. It's a full titanium Yoshi exhaust, and then there's another little bit of carbon. Like I said, it is the full exhaust, so you can see from the headers back, and then you can even get a nice look in here. It's quite a pretty setup there. But overall, obviously aftermarket fairings too. Not sure how I feel about the red tape on the wheels. Kind of dig it, kind of don't. But it's not my biggest priority considering it's blown up. With that being said, this video is going to show replacing the headlights in here. These beautiful lights, I don't know if you can see them, they're nice and yellow. What we got here, straight off of eBay, are some nice xenon lights. And wait for it. Where'd you go? Which, right there. Hi. Back in the garage. Boy. So we're gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna shut the bike off first. I'm gonna go ahead, start taking this apart. It's just these two bolts and then a bolt down here for the stabilizer. And then down here, this is actually the bolt to remove the speedometer kind of cluster area. The reason I do that is just because it's way easier to access the bulb right up here if you just remove that. Brutus! Come on, bro. Also, introduction. That's Brutus, and that's Aries. That's my golden boy. That's my shithead. Yeah, don't lick the bike. Guys, Brutus. Alright, anyways, I'll go ahead, I'll put you guys down, and we'll start pulling stuff apart.
Damn.
Alright, and then go ahead, wiggle it off. Now keep in mind this is still going to be held onto there, but you can't really see it. This is all super greasy. If I were you, the person who had this before me replaced, let's see if I can get in there. That's what the OEM one mounts to, OEM stabilizer. Aftermarket stabilizers leak all the time. I hate them. Just stick with OEM, does a great job. But, gotta finish.
Damn.
I'm now realizing that I took off the stabilizer, what seems like for no reason, but for better explanation. The issue that we're looking at is going to be in the spark plugs under here. In order to do that, the stabilizer bolts in right there. So that's why I took that off. Probably should have explained that better. But we're just focusing on the lights for right now. I'm going to go ahead and get that cluster off. There's one bolt right there, and I already have a piece for it.
Damn. Yeah.
Alrighty, and just like that, we have access right to that light. Anybody removing this, just so you know, you see that bit right there, goes right into this rubber grommet. You really got to tug on it sometimes to get it out. But next thing we'll do is just go ahead, remove this light, which obviously wasn't in very well. It's not the right one, it's just the generic kind of AutoZone H7 bolt does not fit right at all. Oh, if I can get this cover off. There we go. It's a little bit of a struggle one-handed. You guys can see in there, kind of like a little bit of a clip. All you have to really do is just, however it unhooks, you just unhook it. And then this bulb, I know you're not supposed to touch them by hand. Oh. But I don't really care for this bulb all that much, honestly. Never really fit, never really worked. But you got another one that looks exactly the same, so probably won't fit either. Oh, all right. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take this bulb out, put it in. I'll put you guys down for this one, because this one's kind of a pain to do.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Now we're gonna put this one in. This one's pretty easy. It's really just a plug and play situation. And just like that, we put both of them in. Let's go ahead, hit it. Oh, that's bright, yeah. Okay. Brutus, you're the wandering dog again. Boy, where'd you go? Excuse me, young man. You do this every time. You just walk right back in. Anyways, I'm going to close the garage real quick. Actually, let me go ahead and move the food bowl away from the sensor. Going to go ahead, close the garage real quick, start it up, and then we'll see how it works. Top light, golden. Bottom light, oh yeah. So they're pretty bright. Now, before I die, I'm gonna go open the garage door. Alrighty guys, so we already replaced the entire headlight. This is going to be after I finish all the work for today. If you look and see, the stabilizer is back on. The reason that's back on is because one part of today I spent on the headlights, and that's going to be this video. The second part of today I actually took the stabilizer off because we pulled apart the whole tank and we looked into the actual spark plug and what was going on in there. Now we figured out that there is a big issue, but as to what exactly it is, we're not sure. Keep an eye out. I'm thinking hopefully Thursday I should have that video edited and uploaded. So this is going to be a two-part day, or a two-part video for today. So like I said, we did get this headlight done, which is awesome. And then I also dove into the actual issue that we had and confirmed that there is something going on in the motor. That video will come out Thursday explaining what's going on with it. But other than that, thank you guys for subscribing and watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a good one.